What's better than the SL2000 high-speed applicator in the R322 round product labeling system? Two SL2000 applicators in the redundant, sometimes called zero downtime labeling system. The system includes accurate product metering to properly stage products for labeling. Products are transported on a Delrin chain conveyor. And when detected, a label is wrapped around the product circumference. The high-speed SL2000 label applicator synchronously dispenses the label at the matched speed of the label wrapping station. Utilizing low label detection light trees and label out detection sensors, a programmable logic controller guides the system to switch from one label applicator to the other, all when the line is in full operation. While labeling continues, the operator can access one of the applicators to replenish it with labels. This keeps the system running in a 24/7 labeling operation. Let us know what configuration will work best for you. Thank you for your visit, and let's answer any and all of your questions.